For one of my activities, I will allow my students to work off of KidBlog. What I'm going to ask them to do is to actually give a review, doing a comparison and contrast between the book and the movie. So right here, this is an example that I did. I did my header as the wolves, which was actually a big part of both the movie and the book. They have to give a good title, Madness Reviews by Betsy. And then what they have to do is give a rating. Well, they do an introduction. They do similarities, which you find in pink. The introduction is done in blue and a welcoming in red. In the purple, you see all the differences. And here in the yellow, you can't see very clearly. But here in the yellow, they actually have to give out of 5 stars. Here's the rating for the book, and here's the rating from the movie. And then they have to give a closing. So for example, I gave an introduction. I did state that I liked the book better than the movie. Then I gave similarities such as both of them going to New York, and Ben living with his aunt and uncle after his mom's death, and Rose finding Walter who helped her. And then in the differences, there were ideas that the Haynes left. Haynes is actually the director of the movie that he left off, and I talked about the big meteor, how the paper wasn't at the top, and how when Ben was trying to figure out everything with his dad, there was actually, in the book, it kind of arose a suspense and led you to believe that it was going to take a while to see if he was even going to figure it out, and in the movie it just happened really quick. But overall, you can see here that the post is 187 words, and that would be my second activity.